Hey guys, welcome to a quick little video on how to take off a fender on a 2006 Hyundai Sonata 3.3 liter V6. This might work with the V4 as well, I'm not quite sure, but I'm just going to be showing you where the bolts are, and yep, let's get right into it. Alrighty, so one of the first things you need to do is take off the bumper. I already have the bumper taken off, and I have the radiator support taken off. You do not need to take off the radiator support, I just have taken off because I'm dropping the engine. So once you have the bumper taken off, I will show you all the bolts that hold on the fender. Now I will be showing you the bolt locations for the fender. So we have these 5 bolts right here, the radiator support, and then the rest onto the rail. And then we have these 2, which the bumper needs to come off for. And those are pretty much the front side bolts. Now I will be showing you the back side bolts. Usually there is a little black cover right here. You just have to like peel it down for that bolt right there, and then the rest of these are just little mini clips. So you have one right there, another one right there, and another one right there, and those are the bolts on the hinges. Once you're done with that, you'll see these bolts down here. These are on the way bottom. You're gonna have to use a wrench for those. Can't use a socket. Be very careful. Those are the rustiest bolts. Once you get those off, you're going to also have to take off the fender liner. Those are pretty much just all out in the open. Once you get all those off, that's pretty much all the bolts. There actually is one little hidden clip that you need to see back here in the back of the fender liner. It's right there. It's just a little plastic clip. It clips into this whatever it is. And yeah, those are all the bolts. Thanks for watching.